Before you watch this video, please make sure to go to my channel and click on playlists. Then from the playlists, select Forex Scalping Strategies. Click on the Scalping Strategies profits, and then you will find here one video called the Best Forex Scalping Strategy explained in details along with Forex price action. Please watch these two videos in order to understand the strategy that you are about to watch in this live trading video. Hello everyone and welcome on this new live trading session from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, I wanted to say something, guys. Really, always believe in your analysis. I mean, I really feel bad about the gold. I have been analyzing the gold to continue the rise and move in a bullish momentum for the last 2 weeks. And then when I saw the gold continue to fall, I gave up and I just said maybe my analysis is not correct. Let me just give the signal to start shorting the gold. I'm tired with it. But check this out. The gold is now indeed rising and the market has went in the opposite direction as of what I have analyzed recently. The original analysis for the gold was for the rise. I actually have doubted my analysis and therefore I gave the opposite analysis. And this was a big mistake. It was really a big mistake. Never ever doubt your analysis. Always believe in yourself. This was a very tough lesson I have learned. Sadly, the gold signal is failing. And really, guys, I don't know what to say. All I can say is terribly, terribly sorry about what happened. I hope nobody will judge me. I have been analyzing the gold for more than 5 years by now, and it has always been, I cannot say every single time it's good, but of course, I have a very high winning ratio analyzing the gold. Sadly, I wasn't lucky in the last 2 weeks. Another thing I wanted to say right here, guys. Please be aware of some scammers spamming their comments in the comment section on YouTube. Please check out this example. These guys here have actually gave me some really nice and positive comments, but sadly the scammers have ruined it by actually sending out their WhatsApp number and pretending to be Xtreme Trader. Guys, please be careful about these guys. If you have seen any comment like that, make sure that the name here is not WhatsApp. It should be Xtreme Trader and it should be actually highlighted, not like this. And by the way, the fact that these guys are actually using my name to gain some clients is really somehow I feel like it's a pleasure for me. I mean, it's really the sign that I'm successful at what I'm doing, and these guys are using my name to gain some profits and cash, which means they are really using my name to get advantage and to get some quick profits. That is actually a good thing for me. It's positive. It means that I'm really successful at what I'm doing and the scammers are using my name to earn money. So again, be careful about these guys and make sure that you are never actually falling to their traps. So anyway, let's now begin with the live trading session. And again, I'm going to focus right now, guys, on the pound pairs. These pound pairs actually can give you a lot of profits, especially if you are on IC Markets platform. I have been using IC Markets since 2016, and I, of course, have no plans at all to change this broker. I believe IC Markets broker is the best in the world, and so far I have no problem at all, and I'm very happy with the experience with them. So of course, look at that spread. I mean, this is exactly the scalper's heaven. That is what I really want to see as a scalper. I don't want to see high amount of spreads. I mean, all of them, I mean, most of them are below one spread, or sorry, 1 pip, especially the gold. The gold is just 1 pip or even less than that. So this is really fantastic and very good thing for the scalpers. So again, I'm going to trade the pound pairs since they can give you a lot of profits easily. Also the Euro NZD, which is my favorite. Euro JPY, where is the Euro JPY? It's just above the Euro NZD, and the gold, and of course, not to mention the Euro pound. Since it's of course one of the pound pairs, we cannot really ignore it. So guys, let's now begin with the live trading session, and let's now see what we can do. Actually, right now it's about it's 4:15 Dubai time, and this is actually the best time to trade where I'm living. I'm going to start with the pound JPY. Oh, okay, all right. It has already been there. So as you can see right now, my friends, on the 4-hour time frame, what we can see right now is that the market is actually retesting a broken level of a resistance. So meaning the market right now is actually forming a support level. meaning we have to consider buying the pair. Fantastic. Now the question is, where exactly can we place the buy order? Let's now move to the 15-minute time frame to find out the best level to start buying the pair. Awesome. So right here, we can notice, my friends, that on the 15-minute time frame, the market actually has formed a support level, and that can be seen by this long tail. So this long tail right here was actually a support level, which has been followed later with that fake breakout. The market has actually formed a strong bearish breakout candle, but the market actually didn't, it made a very small attempt of a resistance and instantly broke out from it. Now, the best level to start buying the pound JPY is going to be when once the market falls again, retest the same level of the lowest level of the support at 169.927. So I'm going to wait for the market to fall for about 9 pips before we can place the buy order. Then I will be back to you guys once I open this trade, and of course if I find something else I will open the trade. So let me now please pause the recording and I'll be back to you shortly. Okay guys, pound CHF is actually right now on the 4-hour time frame, is on a support level. As we can see, we have to consider now buying the pair. So moving to the 15-minute time frame, we can see clearly that actually I had to place the buy order right now. Fantastic. Perfect. I opened the buy trade in the exact level where I want the trade to be opened. 13 pips, $165. That is actually not so good. I should actually have reduced the lot size maybe. This is still fine. Let me just explain to you the reason behind this trade. I have a good faith in it. As we can see right here, my friends, the market has actually formed a very strong key support level, and that can be seen right here. Once that support level, after this bearish breakout candle, has become also a resistance, but keep in mind it came a resistance as one single attempt and instantly the market broke out from that level. So meaning this level is quite stronger as a support than as a resistance. Another thing here to confirm is this support level right here. This support level right here, let me just show it to you. Now I want to draw here a support line, horizontal line on this support. But the question is, what is the right way to draw the support line so I will get actually the best or the most accurate entry? Shall I draw the support line right here, for example? Meaning I have to wait for the market to continue the fall all the way to this level of a support before I can place the buy order? And that is not practical. So meaning, what is the best level to draw the support line in a way that I can actually wait for the market to reach that level before I can place the buy order? The answer is exactly like this. Why like this? Because with this way, look at that guys, we are in profit. With this way, this horizontal line is touching all of the tails in these 3 candles. So we can see right here, we have one tail, we have here a small tail, and we have here also the closing price of this candle, which means this horizontal line right now is touching all of these candles together. That makes it the best level to place the horizontal line, and hence the reversal is gonna be happening exactly on that level. And thankfully right now guys, check this out, we are in profit. Fantastic. I'm running in profit. Now that being said, since I actually placed my take profit level at the nearest resistance to my entry, this line is actually not in the right place. It has to be there, right here. Because I'm using the same principle of drawing the support line, the horizontal support line. It should be exactly the same for the resistance, meaning this should be the nearest take profit level to my entry, which means it's gonna be about $112 of profit. Fantastic guys. That is the reason I love to trade the pound pairs. They can give you a big profits in a very short time. And the good thing here is only just 9 pips can give you $112, which is really great and very profitable. So so far everything is going very well. The market is indeed retesting the broken level of a resistance, and of course it's respecting that level of a support. Everything is going well. Let me now please pause the recording and I will come back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. And as you can see guys, it's really paying off. The knowledge of scalping and analyzing the support and resistance is indeed paying off. The market has rose actually for about 5 pips, I would say 6 pips maybe, and so far it's running in a very good profit. For me, guys, this is a good profit. For me, this is really nice. I'm thinking, I mean, when I'm thinking about this amount, I'm actually converting it to my local currency, and it's not really a bad amount for just like 5 minutes of work. Yes, $99, $100. Fantastic! Close the trade. We have made about $100 of profit in this trade. Fantastic. That is what I'm looking for. That is great. That is great. Yes, nice. Okay, so the account now is actually increasing. All right, let's see, guys, what we can do next. Let's back to the pound GPY. Pound GPY is actually not reaching the buy level I have mentioned. I actually have already placed an alert right there to alert me once the market reaches that level. Now let's continue. Pound AUD. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. I don't feel good about the pound AUD. No, that's not really my favorite setup. Pound CHF we have just entered. Pound USD is indeed rising. Euro NZD is on the 4-hour time frame. Right now we are actually on a very strong key support level. Fantastic. All right. On 4-hour time frame we are at the lowest level of a support. Okay, let me just look at the left side to confirm if there was actually indeed a broken level of a resistance. Let me just scroll more to the left side to confirm if there was a very strong key support level right on the same price. All right, right there we can see that the market indeed made here a very strong key support level. So the thing here is I don't see any point moving to the 15-minute time frame, since we're actually talking about very long-term support. And I don't know, guys. This is gonna be a risky trade. I don't feel good about it. I mean, it might work, but I don't feel good about it. If I have any doubt about any trade, I just avoid it to not risk any losing any amount. Moving now to the gold. Now the gold, my friends, is actually first of all, don't do this mistake that I have done before. Make sure when you are trading the gold, reduce the lot size. Make it 0.35. You don't need more than that when you are trading the gold. That's for sure. Right now I'm on the 15-minute time frame, and as we can see, my friends, for the gold, we can see that the market right here has actually formed a very strong key level of a resistance, which has been respected again, and it was actually a fake breakout, and again the same level of a resistance became a support for once, twice, thrice, and again 4 times as a support. Then the market has followed it later with this bearish breakout candle. Now the market is rising. It's about to reach the same level of the previous resistance and support at 1659.69. That's gonna be the best level to start selling the gold for just a scalping. We have to wait for the gold to rise for 19 pips before we can start shorting it. And once we do that, the take profit level is gonna be placed right here exactly at the nearest support to my entry, which means I'll be aiming approximately 50 pips profit from selling the gold. Anyway, let me now please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later once I open this trade. Okay, guys, so while I was waiting, the pound GPY alert has been triggered, and right now the pound GPY is at the perfect entry. I'm going to change the lot size to 1.3, and I'm going to place, wait a minute, that price action right here is not really good for buying, but on the 4-hour time frame it's really good for the buy. We are on a previous resistance. This is a new support. I'm going to place the buy order right now. Perfect. Guys, check out the spread. Do you see this, guys? If you want to scalp, this is what you really want, guys. This is what you want to see. Because when you are scalpers, you're just aiming a few pips, like 6 or 7, even 10 pips from your scalps. So meaning you don't want to waste any more pips in the spread. Thankfully, the spread here is really low. It's just 1 pip only, which means it's almost nothing. But however, I just feel bad about the stop loss. It's gonna be $181. And somehow I really don't feel good about this trade on the 15-minute time frame. It doesn't really look that good, but my faith in it is because of the 4-hour time frame. We are right now on a previous level of a resistance, and this is the creation of a new support, which means it should be a good idea to start buying right here. Based on the 4-hour time frame and even 1-hour time frame, everything says buy on this level except for the 15-minute time frame. Let's move to the 5-minute time frame. Is actually not that bad. 5-minute time frame is really good. This was the previous support level, and this is the bullish breakout from that level of a resistance right here. So meaning buying right here is going to be a good idea. I think yes, it should be actually a good trade. It should be. It has to be. Anyway, let me know, please pause the recording, guys, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. Okay, guys, so actually I'm not feeling good about this trade anymore. The market has went in about $80 against our direction. It was running in $80 of loss, and I didn't like this, so I'm going to close it right now with minimum losses at all. Maybe break even. This is almost a break even. Yeah, it's okay, that's fine. I want to exit this trade. I really don't feel good about it. As I mentioned earlier, the trade actually has went against our direction. Since we're actually relying on this support right here, we can see that the candles has went in the opposite direction for about $80. It's true, it's just about 6 pips, but I just really don't feel good about it, because right now we're having here a resistance level. And as you can see, this was the resistance level. And yeah, check this out. Now the candle is falling. So after this bearish breakout candle, it seems like the market is respecting that level of a resistance, which means the market is not yet done the retest of the level, and it actually might continue the fall. Therefore, I had to close this trade in a break even or a small loss, but that's totally fine. Let's now begin analyzing the charts, and let's see now what we can do. Let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you once I find the next trade. All right, pound GPY. Pound GPY, my friends, as I told you, is really good right now to be shorted. We are back to the pound GPY again, and this time I'm going to short the pair. And let me just now place the stop loss to be right here at that resistance level, $176. Now let me just show you something. Actually, what I saw right here on the 15-minute time frame is this. The market, my friends, right now is falling. We can see that the market right here has formed a very strong key resistance level, and right here we can see that price action which has appeared on the 15-minute time frame. That price action is in the case for a bearish reversal, and right now we have to consider selling the market. We don't really have to keep selling for a long time. I mean, I just want to keep the trade running for about 13 pips only, which means the market is gonna continue the fall till it reaches the nearest support to my entry. So I have placed my trade at that resistance level, and I placed the take profit level to be at the nearest support. This is an example of why sometimes you should actually change your analysis when you're really convinced that the market is going in the opposite direction. I want to say that this is not conflicts with what I said about the gold. It doesn't conflict with it. The analysis for the gold is different from the analysis of the pound GPY. Keep in mind, I'm here only scalping for just a few pips and few minutes only, not analyzing a whole chart. Anyway, right now, what I can see right here, that this price action is really confirming the bearish reversal, and that's the reason I can no longer keep the buy order open for the pound GPY, and I had to change it with the sell order. So anyway, let's see now what will gonna happen. Let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you later to show you what will gonna happen with this trade. And check out this, guys. The market is indeed falling, and it's going toward our take profit level. That's the real advantage of realizing if you have made a mistake in your analysis in the first place or not. That's of course the benefits of using the price action to decide your trades. And as we can see right now, I'm in $86 of profit. The account is about $2,180. I think I'm going to close the trade right now. That's fine. That's enough. $160. So we have made about $163 in this trading session. Of course, I'm going to continue trade, but right now the video is about 20 minutes, which is really long. I don't want to make the videos so long. Guys, I hope this somehow was informative to you. You have learned some lesson from this session, and I believe you guys have understand the difference between a completely different analysis, especially on the gold, and changing your trade because of the price action. Don't ever be hard-headed when you are trading forex. Just be sure that you are following what the market does. The market actually has shown here a very strong bearish price action, and I had to follow it. And of course I had to look at the left side to find this very strong key resistance level, and based on that I had to change my trade from buy to sell. I'm really glad I did that. It was a good decision, and so far we have actually ended in a good profit. So again guys, I'm not gonna take much of your time. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and of course share the video. I will see you soon in another late week analysis video. We will be analyzing the market, and we will see what we can do next with these pairs. Until then, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.